Hello, everyone. We're back with another fantastic update to your full scope tools. We have now added the ability for you to directly import Mailchimp templates into your email marketing tools here at Fullscope. So if you're thinking of migrating over from Mailchimp to save yourself some money, then this is going to make that process even easier. All you need to do is come into your email marketing area, head to templates and click new. And here we're going to select import email. And as you can see, Mailchimp is already selected. We've added them to our list along with ActiveCampaign and Kajabi, where you can just copy the email IDs from their system and we'll directly grab the templates that you've created. So as you can see, there's just a little bit of instruction here on how this works. You just copy your URL over at Mailchimp, add it here, and click Create Template, and this is going to import the entire thing over to our tools, to our email builder, so you don't have to start from scratch. If you've already got an account with Mailchimp and you've already got some great designs, some great templates that you've built, you can use them in our system right away from day one. No fuss, no muss. This is going to save you a lot of time. And of course, if you're migrating from Mailchimp, which is a more expensive competitor, you're going to save some money too. As always, if you have any questions about this feature or any others, please reach out to the support team from within your account. They're online 24/7 and ready to help.